Hello guys, this is my first video. Today I'm going to show you how to create like a buzzer sound. I don't know how the audio is going to come out on the computer. This is crappy, I'm sorry. It will get better. This is the demo version of FL Studio you get for free. Basically you just have the kick, the clap, the hat, and snare. Just highlight all of it. And then keep highlighting. Mess with the pitch and everything. And then it's not going to sound right this way. What you need is to, get the speed really high. 999, that's what I do. Okay, there we go. And it gives a buzzer sound. You lower it and higher it and all that. Okay, let's say I just wanted to do that. You probably know how to do this. You can save as, and then you can actually change it to a MP3. There you go. I normally ignore all this because I don't really know any stuff yet. I'm learning the software. I know I did like lots of After Effects, Blender, Maya, all that type of stuff. I've been new to this. So, okay. Let's get started. There you go. Stupid demo version. Okay. Wrong one. There we go. Hopefully this works. And this is just a beginner video. This is horrible. I know. I'm terribly sorry.